Hello all and welcome to the 8th episode of Conquer the Problem series. We are given with f of x, g of x, p of x and q of x. Now, if we consider the point p dash pi by 2, comma q dash 0 be the center of a circle C, what will be the equation of a circle C where the point f dash 0, comma g dash 0 lies on the circle C? So, p dash pi by 2 and q dash 0 is the center of the circle and f dash 0 comma g dash 0 lies on the circle. So first things first, let's figure out the derivatives of all the four functions with respect to x. Let's get started. Now f of x. So f dash x can be written as this term. Now evaluating the term marked in blue box, we get these terms, and evaluating the term marked again in blue box, we get these terms. Now f dash x, after complete evaluation, we get f dash x to be sin x plus x times cos x plus 4x. Now g of x. G dash x can be written as this term. Now evaluating the term marked with blue box, we get this term, and evaluating the term marked with blue box, we get negative sin x. Now after final evaluation, we get g dash x to be e power sin x times cos x minus sin x. Now p of x. P dash x can be written as this term. Now evaluating the term marked with blue box, we get this term, and also derivative of e power sin x with respect to x. Now this term will remain as it is. Evaluating the term marked with blue box, we get e power sin x times derivative of sin x with respect to x. Hence p dash x after complete evaluation will be negative sine of e power sin x times e power sin x times cos x as shown. Now let's figure out q dash x. Now after evaluating the term marked with blue box, we get this term and derivative of e power x square with respect to x. Now evaluating the term marked in blue box, we get e power x square times derivative of x square with respect to x. Hence, q dash x comes out to be cos of e power x square times e power x square times 2x as shown. Now, we have f dash x, g dash x, p dash x and q dash x. Now, the points which are mentioned in the question are: the first point that is mentioned is center of the circle C, that is nothing but p dash pi by 2 and q dash 0, and a point that lies on the circle C, which is f dash 0 and g dash 0. Now let us figure out p dash pi by 2 and q dash 0. So when we plug in the value pi by 2 into p dash x, we get p dash pi by 2 to be equal to 0. Similarly, when we plug in the value 0 into q dash x, we get q dash 0 to be equal to 0. Hence, center of the circle C will be 0, 0. Now, let us figure out the value of f dash 0, g dash 0. When we plug in the value 0 into f dash x, we get f dash 0 to be equal to 0. And when we plug in the value 0 into g dash x, we get g dash 0 to be equal to 1. Now, the point that lies on the circle C will be 0, 1. So now let us imagine a circle with center 0, 0 and a point 0, 1 that lies on the circle. Now this circle will have some radius r. So the radius r can be calculated by distance formula and radius comes out to be 1. Now the equation of the circle is given as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h and k is the center of the circle. Now, in our case, the center of the circle is 0, 0. Hence, h, k can be replaced by 0 and the radius is 1. So, r can be replaced by 1. Hence, the final equation comes out to be x square plus y square is equal to 1 square. Basically, x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is the final answer or the required answer. Hence, we have successfully conquered the problem. Thank you so much.